If you like Excel and you're looking for a simple budget to help you plan, track, and manage your expenses, I've got just the thing. It's a one-page spreadsheet where you can set your total budget at the top, plan out your spending across categories, and track your spending over time. And then the spent and remaining numbers calculate automatically. Now, what's really cool is that you can use this for month-to-month budgeting, or you can just use it for travel or small events. So you could say it's multi-purpose. Now, in this video in particular, I'll be showing you a repeatable 3-step process to help you build a successful money plan and track your spending reliably using this spreadsheet. And to get the spreadsheet, I left you 2 links in the description. One is a purchase link. I promise it's not crazy expensive. And the other is a link to another video where I show you how to build this spreadsheet all the way from scratch. So you've got some options. That being said, what's the 3-step process that you can follow? Well, step number 1 is making a plan. Start with your total budget number and list it on top. Then below, list the various categories that you want to use to divide your overall budget. Now, there's space for up to 10 categories to begin with. But if you need more, just click on the bottom right corner of the table and drag down to expand. And you can do this as many times as you need until you have enough space. Then, once you have all your categories, you want to assign budget amounts to each. And what I really like about this spreadsheet is that this left to plan number is going to update as you start assigning amounts. And when this number hits 0, it means that the budget amounts below add up to the total amount on top, which is what you want. And of course, once your plan is ready, move to step 2. Step 2 is all about tracking your expenses over time. It's pretty simple. You just list the date, category, notes, and amount for each spending transaction, and then the remaining and spent numbers update automatically. Now, since this does require manual entry, it might be tough remembering to do it every day. So here's a tip that will really help. Look at your calendar and try to find an event that you do almost every day. Then right before that event, schedule a 5-minute time slot for your budget update. This is when you'll log your transactions. And putting this right before what you do already every day is going to help remind you to do it. All right, so you've made a plan and you're tracking your expenses. Now what? Well, step number 3, review and repeat. First, you look at your remaining and expense numbers. I know it seems obvious, but take a close look. Where did you overspend? Where did you underspend? And don't beat yourself up about it. Try to learn from it. Then, once you've reviewed your spending, right-click on the worksheet tab below, select Move or Copy, move to End, create a copy, and click OK. Then rename the new tab accordingly, and then delete the transactions on the right. And now you're ready for the new month or event. Look back at your previous numbers if you need to, and go back to step 1, make or adjust your plan. Then over to step 2, track your expenses, and at the end of the month, review and repeat. Now, just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'll show you how to build this all the way from scratch if you're determined to do so. Just watch this video next. And if you'd rather purchase it, you'll find the link in the description.